Hi there guys, and today we're doing an unboxing video of the Syncwire phone ring holder. Now I've ordered a new phone. This one is over 6 inches, my current one is 5.5. 6-inch phones for me fall out my hand at least once a day, but apparently no phone manufacturer want to make smaller phones anymore, so here I am getting a huge phone. So I needed the Syncwire phone ring holder, or I needed a phone ring holder to make sure I'm not dropping this phone at least once on the hour, every hour. So let's have a look. The box comes in a typical standard Amazon envelope, nice and flat, nice and sturdy. Let's get that out of the way. So the box itself, it's pretty small. You're looking at about 1.5 centimeters to 2 centimeters. On the back, you've got all your instructions, what the features are of the phone ring holder. It tells you all the dimensions of it if you're that interested in that. Let's open it up and see what we get. Alright, so it's much smaller than I thought it was going to be. Let's do a size test. It's the size of the top of my thumb, almost. So double the size of my thumb. You could probably get 2 thumbs on there. I was expecting it to be like the front of the palm. It's not that big at all, so it's really small. That's going to be really useful when you're folding it down to the actual phone. It comes on a plastic case with a wet wipe to attach the adhesive, the instructions on how to attach the adhesive, and a card which is your warranty for the actual product. So nice and simple. That's as much as I can say on it. So I ordered it in blue. It did come in either blue, black, grey, rose gold or silver. This was just the best colour for me. It looks so sleek. I absolutely love it. It looks amazing. It's proper thin. And look at that. It is so small. Absolutely perfect for just keeping the phone attached to my hand. And with the wet wipe, you've got your adhesive pads for attaching it to the back of the phone. If you want to see what it might look like, here's just a picture of my dog on my phone. So let's say I wanted to put it over his face. We would attach the adhesive pad. I'm going to choose that area because it's in the center of the phone. Peel off the adhesive pad on the back and it would sit something like that on the phone. I hope that was useful for you guys when making a decision on your purchase. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.